On this week's episode, we look at something a little different for your living room. Hello, I'm Aaron from Rich Sounds, and this week we're going to be looking at the Klipsch R41PM active speakers. In recent years, soundbars have become a great alternative to a full surround sound system, but what if a television isn't the only thing you want to hook up? There are some alternatives. Enter the Klipsch R41PMs. These are active stereo speakers, meaning that one of the two speakers contains an amplifier which powers both. This allows you to choose the distance that you set the speakers apart, allowing for better stereo separation, not just for movies and television, but also for music. So let's take a look and see what you get in the box. There's a USB cable there in case you want to hook it up to a computer. You also get a length of speaker wire included in the box. Now you can go with some slightly better quality speaker wire, but this is perfectly fine to actually get running. Just like a soundbar, you've got a handy remote control so you can choose any input that you want to go into the speakers. And you've got your instruction manual, pretty comprehensive, we'll look at that later. The speakers themselves are also Bluetooth enabled, which is incredibly handy if you just want to send some music straight from your phone or your laptop to the speakers. All of this footage is brand new, by the way. I promise you it's not just a bunch of Klipsch. Sorry. Taking the grill off, you might notice straight away a couple of unique features that these speakers have. The first thing is Klipsch's Tractrix Horn Tweeter. Pretty unique, it gives you a very wide dispersal of the high frequency sounds, allowing pretty much every spot on the couch to be the sweet spot. The main woofer itself is made from spun copper. This is something that you only really see with Klipsch speakers, but it really gives it a unique look. Nice touch there with the magnetic speaker grills, keeps everything nice and simple and you don't have to fiddle around with them. We've got an absolute wealth of connections. The R41s come with a built-in phono preamp. It means that at the flick of a switch, the auxiliary input is suitable for connecting any turntable. You've got your USB input there, of course. You can go old school and you've got a 3.5mm headphone jack there as well. You've got an optical input, you've got your binding posts which obviously go out and connect to the other speaker. What's quite brilliant about these speakers as well is that there's a built-in subwoofer out. So if you do want a little bit of extra bass, you can connect literally any subwoofer you like to the speakers, essentially giving you a 2.1 cinema system. And there we have them, the Klipsch R41PM active speakers. There are lots of great soundbars out there, of course, but these speakers provide a really great alternative for those who want to have that stereo separation and maybe have something like a turntable as well. If you'd like to hear these speakers in person, why not pop down to your local Richer Sound store today and we'll be happy to demo them for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share us with all your friends. Thanks for joining me for this one. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.